fluffer. Look at the fluffer.
There are the eggs.
Oh, that's so cute. I don't think they like us. I don't think they like us.
Very quickly. That guy's cute.
You are such a silky buddy. I like you. We were here yesterday. Last night we had a delicious dinner, but
Came back for lunch.
yeah, in an attempt to kind of miss out the rain. Hopefully, we'll see.
Well, it's not raining, so
No.
maybe we'll eat a delicious meal and then walk back.
Yeah.
But we borrowed an umbrella from the hotel, so we should be fine.
I ordered a thing called Gado Gado, and you got a Tempe Pehyet. Yeah, should be good.
It promises to be spicy.
Yeah, I hope so. The thing last night was spicy.
Yeah, so I assume that this is equally or more so.
Hopefully. Will you teach us how to say cheers again?
There's some.
There's the song. Good, 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 good. This looks really good.
It does.
Yours looks really good too. Hope it's spicy. I hope it's actually spicy. You try it and tell me.
Yeah, I imagine it will be.
So the spicy sauce is actually spicy.
Yeah, I mean, not crazy. There's probably an accumulative effect though, so maybe I'm coming across too cocky. Right now I think it's just
Yeah,
right.
yours is really good. My peanut sauce is kind of spicy too, but it's nothing crazy. It's delicious.
So as you may be able to see down there, the little bridge is in the water. And it's been that way since after the first day we went down there and crossed that little bridge.
Yeah.
So it's quite fortunate that we got there when we did, because I wonder when and if that gets lifted up, put back.
Also, I'm super glad it didn't happen while you were crossing it.
Yeah.
I was scared while we were crossing it.
We have a number of photos of me standing on it.
Yeah.
Insert here.
I don't even remember the name of this place, but we'll get the name on the way out for sure. Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we apparently didn't dress well enough. I didn't think you did, but I'm wearing a long skirt underneath my skirt.
Yeah, at most that gives you an extra like quarter inch.
I don't think it gives me an extra anything. It just gives me extra sweat.
But that's fine.
Yeah, no, it's
As
fine.
long as
I'll
it's-
wear whatever they want me to. But, you look good. We should have worn our matching pecan shirts today, because then we would have been 100% matching.
Yeah. You see this guy's predator dreads?
Oh, we never told the camera about the man with the stuffed boob costume yesterday. He
didn't
looked
see
just
him.
like that. He was wonderful.
Very careful. Yeah. Do you know if there's a name for these coverings? Like longi or something? I have my doubts that that's the correct terminology. These are so cool. Ooh, I walked into a spider web.
I walked into about 100 today.
You walked into what?
About 100 today.
Oh.
I've been breaking most of this free.
You even walking through that doorway? I guess it's because I'm taller.
beautiful.
It's interesting how there's like bleachers.
Yeah, it's for the show tonight.
Yeah.
She asked if we wanted tickets to the show tonight, but we just bought the tickets for 10,000 rupiah to walk around instead. The show looks like it would be really cool too though, but I can't stay awake past 9 p.m. Who are we kidding? I can't stay awake past 8 p.m. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Feather peat tipplers.
Sounds like it might rain any second.
Yeah.
Get that umbrella ready.
Yep.
Really like doors.
What a cute little guy. What a cute little lady. I love all the little statues. And I love how they're all covered in moss.
Me too. Moss death. It's bad fun. Watch this camera pretty soon because the rain is coming. And this camera's not waterproof like the rest of them. That lady there looks angry. And those ones, the babies, look scary. Scary thunder. Two on the sidewalk because nobody will move over.
Yeah, that's frustrating as well. I feel like I'm not built for crowded city spots. Hard to, tread that social line of being in people's way and people being in your way and being polite and all of that. Yeah.
You've watched enough Bank
BTS. I know what
BTS
counting
to
sounds like. Not much else.
I wonder if I can get my camera back up. I have all stuff too, but
Yeah.
these cool thrones. We got out of the crowds a little bit. Got my mask back on though because of chaos. Cool. Maybe all the plants will calm me down. What do you think?
What's that?
Maybe all the plants will calm me down. Yeah, electricity. So we're in the palace, right? I believe. Wow.
Please don't step up. Step up, step up, step up, step up.
Beautiful. That's the first real rain we've been stuck in so far. So,
considering that the prediction was absolutely all of the time.
yeah. Umbrella's too wide. Well, hopefully it rains real quick.
Yeah.
My shoes are gonna get real wet. So we attempted to go to Ubud City, like the actual little city town thing. And firstly it was just too many people. And then it started torrentially downpouring and it was just too many people and too wet. So now we're sitting at our favorite corner store having a bintang lemon.
Yeah, lemon rattler.
Yeah.
They're really tasty.
Yeah, they are. But I think that's all for Ubud City that we're gonna see. Very little. It was okay. I like the outskirts of Ubud a lot more though. I'm glad we stayed far outside the city. So if you're gonna come to Ubud, don't stay in the center. My opinion is you should stay on the outside and explore the rice fields like we did this morning and a bunch of outside stuff. The monkey stuff.
Unless you love crowds and hustle and bustle.
Yeah.
Because some people enjoy that. That's not really our jam.
Not our jam at all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, cheers.
Motorcycle over here. We got a wife over here. Some delicious beer. An old TV. Some Pinocchios. Yeah. What's that? Yeah. Oh, that's true. I'll have to cut this out. It'll probably get flagged. K-pop's big, you know.
Yeah, but also the sound's not great on this camera. It'll be fine. Yes. Film other things.
Yeah.
You got the Korean chicken thing, and I got a bibimbap. This is sizzling. Looks pretty good.
I'm surprised by the giant mountain of lettuce I have.
Yeah, you're supposed to put the stuff in there and make a little
Oh, is that?
thingy. I think.
I'm glad you told me that.
I don't know.